we can actually determine a lot about the derivative of a function just by looking at the graph of a function and learning what we know. Okay, so remember, the derivative at any point is the slope of the tangent line of the graph of the function. So the first thing we can start off by looking is, where would the graph have horizontal tangents? Because anywhere where you have a horizontal line, the slope is 0. So the derivative would be 0. Well, the places where we get horizontal tangents are where the graph has a maximum or a minimum. Then we get a horizontal tangent. So that's going to be where our derivative is 0. So our derivative is 0 at x equals 0 and at x equals 2. Now, we can also see that when, if we pick a point over here, so say something like -1, if we draw a tangent, that's going to be an increasing tangent. It's going to be positive. Okay, it's going to have a positive slope. So we know before we go to the 0, our graph is above the x-axis. It's positive. Now, between our two zeros, all of the tangents would look like this, which would have a negative slope. So we know between here it's negative. Okay, and then we know after again, these lines would have a positive slope. So the derivative would be positive. Okay, so this might not be a great sketch, but we're just saying, where would the derivative be 0? Where would it be positive? Where would it be negative?